If you've got big bifold doors or huge windows in your home like these, you're really lucky, and I love these in the winter. They let lots of light and warmth in and heat up our kitchen, but you'll also probably know that they can turn your house into a greenhouse in the summer. I think I found a really cheap solution that keeps a surprising amount of that heat outside before it gets into your home, which you're probably realising is key. But it also doesn't block all the daylight, so you can still see through it, and it doesn't make your house look like it's been wrapped in tinfoil. So let me show you. So I've talked a lot before about closing curtains to keep the heat out, and this does work, and it certainly stops the sun baking in all day and warming up all your furniture and your furnishings, which hold on to that heat. So it is worth doing, but as you've probably realised as well, if you then feel behind these curtains, it's just holding on to the heat. The heat's already entered your property. So eventually that then spills out over the sides and comes into your room, and your room still gets quite warm. So obviously what we really want to do if we can is keep that heat from coming in through the glass in the first place. Now nature, as ever, has some really good ideas, like trees. So a lot of people suggest plant trees outside, but that's not always practical. You don't always have the space to do that, and you're not going to suddenly have a fully fledged tree to give you that shade. The great thing about trees, of course, is that they shed their leaves in winter, so then when you need that sun to come in your home and you need that warmth and light, then it'll come in, so that's brilliant. There's another viral hack doing rounds at the moment, and that's adding tinfoil to your windows. So you basically attach tinfoil to the outside of your windows, not the inside, because that's dangerous, and if you've got double glazing, it can actually cause your glass to shatter. But you can put it outside, it blocks the sun, brilliant, but first of all, it's not massively practical. It's quite a big job when you've got a big expanse of windows, and it doesn't look great and you can't see through it. So I started looking for something in between, something that's inexpensive, sits outside the window where it can stop the heat before it gets in, but it still lets in daylight and doesn't completely ruin the view. Then a viewer, thank you very much for this, left a comment suggesting exterior shade cloth. So if you've ever done any gardening, you've probably seen it before. It's a mesh fabric that people stretch over their greenhouses and vegetable patches to stop plants getting scorched. And it's weatherproof, surprisingly cheap, and because it's a mesh, it works almost like sunglasses for your house. It blocks a huge amount of the sun's heat and glare, but still lets you see outside. And because it's outside the glass, any heat it absorbs simply dissipates into the air instead of heating your room. So this is the one that I got, and I'll put a link to this down below. It comes already with these built-in hooks, which is really handy for when you put it up. So putting it up couldn't really have been much simpler. First, we measured the bifold frame and found a shade cloth that was the closest size to the space we had, then drilled a couple of small holes and fitted some just really simple hooks. The shade cloth already comes with these reinforced eyelets, so it just hooks straight on, and mine was actually a little longer than I needed, so I folded the excess over the top, which gives a bit of extra protection where the sun is strongest. Of course, the real question is, does it actually work? And to make it a fair test, I put the shade cloth up first thing in the morning before the glass had a chance to heat up. I also deliberately left one section uncovered so we could compare them side by side. And I wasn't really expecting a huge difference straight away, but let's see what I found out. I used this laser thermometer, so this helped me just to get the temperature of the glass. Seeing that kind of difference this quickly suggests it's blocking a significant amount of solar heat. And over the course of a long morning or afternoon, that's likely to make a noticeable difference to how comfortable this room feels. So if you'd like to try it yourself, I've linked the exact shade cloth I bought in the description below, and let me know in the comments, have you tried shading your windows from the outside? I'd love to hear what works for you. Thank you as always for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next project. Bye.